Hi, I'm Kayla, the founder of Ego Professional. Ego stands for Every Girl's Obsession. We're all obsessed about our hair. Alter Ego, absolutely amazing dryer. This is the first product that I ever produced in the Ego Professional line, and I love it. I still love it. It's our hero product. Alter Ego is all about smoothness, less frizz, more shine, and drying the hair up to 60% faster than a traditional professional blow dryer. It blows less air and uses more of that tourmaline and Hawanta infused heat. So you get less frizz, more smoothness, more shine. I think one of the analogies I normally use is imagine walking on the beach with wet hair on a windy day. I know what mine looks like, a great big bushy mess. That's a traditional blow dryer. But with Alter Ego, imagine walking along the beach with wet hair on a sunny day. We all prefer to do that. But your hair will dry in a really nice, conditioned way, smooth and utterly under control. That's what Alter does for you. More smoothness, more shine, less frizz, less static, all with this very clever, capable tool. Really smooth, really shine, it really brings out the colour as well.
Definitely, and that's because the Alter Ego retains that moisture so you can see the amazing shine on there, which all us ladies love.
Definitely.
Shiny hair.